Howdy. We've got some nukes here that, well, they were nukes. They're in the 10 frame, and it's, late in the season. It's what, October 19th or 20th. And want to add a second super on them, give them a chance to really build up through the winter. And this is something I don't think I've ever talked about before, and most people don't. I've got drawn comb on here, and it's bare. It's been picked clean. But to encourage the bees to go up there, I've got some 1-to-1 sugar syrup. You could use whatever strength you want. The idea is just to get the bees up there. I'll hose it down really good. Get down in the holes. Kind of go from there. And put that in. And I do that with the undrawn frames too. I have a couple bare frames in here. And something else I'd like to point out is that I'm using the drone comb. And the reason I do that is that then you don't end up with the bees drawing the drones in the middle of a frame, and they bulge out and restrict the space on the other side. In fact, if you take a look at this, I hope this will pick it up good. I don't know how good the lighting is here, but there's not a single bulge on any of that frame, any of that comb. Great brood for laying it in there. So that's just my idiosyncrasy. I know Bob Binney's a big fan of it. He's actually the one that really kind of got me fired up about it. But so gonna do that, and I was out of drone frames. So when I open up this box here, I'm probably gonna pull out the frame down below. Let's see if I can adjust the camera here. Forgive me. I am not the yeah, okay. Did I break that? Anyways, probably pull a sheet of comb out from underneath there. And yeah, this one doesn't have any drone frame on it. So look at the top. Look for any queen, no queen. So rather than just put this other super on, I'm going to go in here and take a look and see what they've got for the outside. We've been in such a drought. Yeah, okay, so this one is, there's bees on it, but they're not doing much. So that's a good opportunity. Just shake those girls off there and throw another drone frame in here. I'll spray this one down too. And so on. I do need to get a feeder of really, really light syrup on this box. And I can tell just looking down on it now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 frames of good bees. That's looking fine. So what I'll do is just even this out. By the way, I'm hitting, hey, that one got me. Happy bees. Let's see here. I'm not going to scrape that down, but I am going to throw on some pollen sub. This is some Man Lake Ultra Bee, but what I've done here is I've just mixed it with the Spring Funny Honey. Let's see, I can cut that off on the sides there. Usually trim these to size before I go out. There we go. Lay it on there. It's close to the brood nest. Put the box on with the sugar sprayed frames. Level her out. And okay, that's interesting. Now the box is warped, so I'm gonna have to replace this one, the one down below. But that's fine for right now. That's more than I want to do in this little video here. But anyways, I just wanted to show the idea of spraying down frames. To try and induce them to come on up. So that's it. Have fun. God bless, and God bless the bees. Take care. Bye-bye.